Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to record tax payments made to government in Wave. Keeping a clear record of tax payments ensures your liability accounts are accurate. Here's how to record them correctly in Wave. First thing you want to do is to navigate to transactions. Just go to accounting and then you'll see transactions under accounting and click add expense. Next, enter payment details. The descriptions, sales tax, quarter one, or anything similar, just add the description. And then you're going to edit the date, enter the actual payment date. And then the category, you're going to select sales tax payments to government, or you can just create one under liabilities. Also, you're going to need to enter the full payments made, that's the amount, as well as the payment account where you're going to choose the bank account that you used. Next, split if necessary. Now, if part of the payment is interest or penalty, just click split this transaction and you can assign the tax amount to tax payments and the penalties to bank charges or interest expense. 4. Save the transaction. Just confirm and save once you're done with this, and this reduces the sales tax payable liabilities in your records. Pro tip, set calendar reminders to record tax payments regularly so that they align with your tax reports. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.